Cat vs. Baby, Chaos. Once upon a Tuesday morning, my cat Sir Meowington was napping in pure feline luxury. Enter Luna the Destroyer, 9 months old, 22 pounds of giggling chaos. She locked eyes with the cat and giggled like a tiny villain, crawling at top baby speed before landing a triumphant smack on Sir Meowington's unsuspecting butt. The cat shot off the couch like a furry firework, horrified and indignant. Luna, meanwhile, cackled as if she'd just pulled off the world's greatest prank, clearly convinced she'd won the day. But the saga didn't end there. 10 minutes later, I found them in a new scene, Luna lounging in the laundry basket, Sir Meowington perched atop her head like a regal, fuzzy crown. Both were happily munching on Cheerios from the floor, pretending that nothing dramatic had just unfolded. Lesson of the day? Don't mess with cats, unless you come bearing snacks. Subscribe for more baby chaos and cat drama.